Hey everyone, memberships are finally out, and what that means for you is special perks, and I'll go into all the details for that. There's going to be 3 tiers. So if you go to my YouTube homepage, you're going to see this join button, and if you click the join button, you're going to see here we have 3 different tiers. So if I zoom in, you have a better look at it. So you can see for the gold tier is at $2.99 per month. And what this is going to include is going to have the loyalty badges next to your name and in comments and live chats. And you're going to get priority reply to your comments. So this is just the basic version, and it's just mostly gratitude for you to being part of my channel. As you know, making these videos takes a lot of time, so any support really helps out a lot. And here we have the platinum tier, so at $4.99 a month. So what you get with this is early access to new videos, member shoutouts, photos and status updates, and exclusive member-only videos. So this might be good if you have a video and you want to see it early, because sometimes I plan ahead for my videos. So if you're following along a series, then this might be a good choice for you. And lastly, the diamond tier. So this one is what I'm offering at $9.99 a month. You get priority video requests, since I get a lot of requests for certain topics on tutorials on their specific needs. So this would be a good subscription membership for you if you want to make these special requests. And also I get a lot of requests in terms of asking for certain code or models that I use for my videos that I make. So if you join this tier, you get access to that as well. Okay, so go ahead and click the join button here, choose a tier that's right for you. And then here there's a membership tab. You could click into that. This is what the membership tab will look like for the diamond tier. So go ahead and check that out. All right, see you in the next one.